Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today, we're going to unbox another small but mighty item. It is the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Magnetic Rotatable Backpack Clip. I'm going to show you what I'm going to be using it for, at least a couple things I'm going to be using it for, and see if it actually works as advertised. But let's get to the unboxing first. Now again, this is the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Magnetic Rotatable Backpack Clip. It's packaged very well. Qualified, certified. Okay. Pull this out. Ta-da! Now this is quite large and hefty. Oof. Yeah, that could do some damage there. Kind of a Pac-Man. Dirt, 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 dirt. Okay. The way this thing works, of course, you would put your GoPro or other action cam in here like you would any other action cam. There's a little button on the side right here. You push that, twist it to the Ulanzi signal, and it does have a slight magnetic pull to it, so it won't just fall off, which is nice. Then you put your camera on there, you put it back on the Ulanzi, twist it, and it's locked in. Then you can clip this just about anywhere. Now currently, I am using this camera over here on the side. It's clamped up here with a bicycle clamp. I mean, it kind of sort of works, but in order to bring it up and put it down all the time, there's this little clamp here that you pull and you have to twist, and it really is a pain, especially if you're in a makeshift environment like we are in now. So this will hopefully do a lot better, because all I have to do is simply go up, clip it on, and it should stay right there. So with that rubber on that you can see right here, that should be enough to keep it clamped. And another thing we're going to be using it for is for cooking. Up underneath. There we go. Let's see if that'll clip on there, and we can use that for Healthy Home Cooking's cooking demonstrations. At least, again, that's the idea. Now, of course, I could also use this on my camera gear as well if I need another place to put another camera, which, hey, you never know. Also on the back, you'll see this little magnet symbol. That's because there's a magnet in there as well, and a fairly strong one. Awesome. And of course, the next question is going to be, yeah, but is the magnet strong enough? Yes, it is. Look at that. Well, again, thank you for coming along with me to unbox and demonstrate the Ulanzi Go Quick 2 Magnetic Rotatable Backpack Clip. And as always, have a great day.